sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
Hello, yo, not my space. Hello everybody, I just realized that I didn't make an intro for this video. Welcome to the channel. My name is TeeMaQ. People call me Mary, people call me Tapsi, but my name here on YouTube is TeeMaQ. So welcome to the channel. This is definitely a new vlog. Actually, happy new year. It's 2024. Today is a Tuesday. I just came back for, not really, like maybe like 30 minutes ago. I just came back from a gym. I literally went like to do like a few exercises, but today was actually quite hectic because when I felt that my underwear and my tight was literally dripping wet, that's when I knew that I actually went hard at the gym. And I literally wear like a plastic bag for me like to sweat, because I don't literally sweat sometimes I don't even sweat easily like that, so the plastic bag literally helps me. I cleaned my place before I left. Like, I clean every day. I'm just literally that person. I'm not a person to clean maybe like on Mondays and the rest of the week is gonna be like I clean half. I clean every day. I mop every day. I wash dishes every day. My TV stand, wipe it with oil or do it with oil. I clean literally every day. Make my bed every day neat. My fridge, the only thing that maybe I'm not consistent about or consistent in is like eating. I don't eat healthy every day, but sometimes I just have my days, especially when I'm on my period. I just literally eat clean. I drink my RPG, I eat my greens and stuff like that. So I came back like about 30 minutes ago or 35, and I actually have a delivery. It's a book. I got a new book, and hopefully I think this one is a holy type of book, and I just feel like it's gonna help me. It will help me navigate like reading my Bible, because I read my Bible like almost every day. I just have my days where like maybe if I feel tired, I'm just gonna like get a verse on Pinterest and not really like open my Bible. But yeah, I read my Bible like that, and I do like a Bible study. I didn't know that this is not the version of the book that I expected. It's not the one that I expect, that I saw on TikTok. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It looks like this. It's purple. So I don't really have space. I need to finish. I'm supposed to be shooting a makeup reel today. So I'm gonna bath again, because obvious came back from it. So I'm gonna bath again, and then gonna do my reel, and then later on I have like a nail practice. Looks like this. It's a book by Joyce Meyer, Strength for Each Day, 365 devotions to make every day a great day. And it's just like this. I'm gonna try to insert a clip of the one that I saw on TikTok on this girl called Unique Queen or something on TikTok. I can't believe I'm a TikTok person. I used to hate TikTok so much, but then I downloaded it and I just, you know, followed my YouTubers, your K-Yams, your Kolika Basha, your Mihlali, you know, like those people that are like your Cynthia, Madlaila, your Only Bells, and like the people that I literally follow on Instagram and like their content are the very same people that I follow on TikTok. And also started following some like nail techs because now I'm into nails. I also started following like your Bella makeup artist because I also follow on Instagram for like makeup because I'm a makeup artist and I get clients and I also do myself makeup. So I can't wait to actually start reading this. I'm literally gonna start today because I just feel like I need like that, you know. You get me? Yeah. So hopefully it's gonna be a good book. It's gonna be a good read. I'm gonna try to insert the video yaga Queen Unique to show you how her book, this book, looks like. It's not like mine, even like it's metallic so nyana, and it's quite big. Like this one is small, unless like they change like the packaging and stuff, but it doesn't look like this. Anyway, let me just bath, and yeah, network is back. It left with load shedding, so it's only back for 2 hours. It's gonna leave again at 12, so I really need to use that to download some stuff, check my emails and check my messages, phone calls, meetings and everything that I need to do. And then yeah, please, something got into my eye. Please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Leave some love in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Oh my god, something got in my eye. I was fetching my my delivery. Wait, I wanna grab something so I can show you guys. I just broke my neck trying to get this box. Let me grab a chair. Okay. Zanila got me, what is this? Is it waffle sticks? But those ones are, I think they are vanilla, like, I don't know why are we skewed now? Oh, I'm crazy. Maybe I'm smoking drugs. Okay. So I got this ones the other day. I was buying snacks. I got this hazelnut. The written hazelnut here. So I want us to taste. Is that a fly? I want us to taste these ones. Things that I don't want. I beg! Joe. I hate opening a package. I'm not too long. Need the year go. You see? So I have scissors. I don't have time to waste. Please, I beg. Smell chocolate-ish. Okay, let me stop judging. Okay, and also the color. They're not nice. I have work today. I have a nail client. There's a fly, absolutely. Oh my god. I have a nail client today. So I also have another one late this week. And the one that I have wanted later on this week. They wanted a chrome pigment, so I got the gold one, and I got, oh flip, I thought I got silver, and I got a pink one. So yeah, this was my type of delivery. Rose gold, gold. So I was actually in the process of mopping, cleaning the studio actually. It's not really, it's fine there. I just want to mop. It's not even dirty, but I just want it to be clean. And another thing, I was supposed to install lights, and the person who's supposed to install lights, he said he's gonna come today. Because I feel like we're skewed, man. Hey, oh, maybe Nashani. Wait. Okay, now this is yes, this is better. The person who is supposed to come and install those lights said he's gonna come on Monday because we spoke on Friday, and he said he's gonna come today, which is a Monday, and his phone is off. He didn't send me any message, maybe canceling. So I really don't know because he doesn't know where I stay. So obviously he has to call or ask for directions, but he hasn't like sent a text. And I paid the deposit, of which is okay because it's somebody that I know. I know that he will not scam me. It's somebody that like I'm really close to. Not really close, but we are close like that, like from way back. Uh, so I know his house. I know where he lives. I know where. I know his parents' house. I know his grandmother's house. I just know I have every contact of his family, so if I want him, I'll find him. If he tries to scam me, but I don't think he's scamming me. I trust him. So yeah, at least today we're hearing birds instead of chickens. Hey? So let me just mop. And I didn't eat breakfast. I haven't had anything. The only thing that I had was a San Pellegrino, a sparkling flavored drink. So I think I'm gonna have like watermelon and some mango for breakfast, and then I'm gonna prepare for work. So yeah, any more. But guys, this is clean. The only thing that I see it's just I don't know what's this black. Is it black or is it sand? In mud. It's literally clean, like it's clean because I cleaned. My studio is always clean than my place. My place is clean, right? But if I clean, like I clean in the morning, around 1, it's dirty. 4, dirtier. And one thing about me, I clean every now and then. I probably clean my place, my house, like 3 times, if not 4 times a day. And I mop because it's a small, room. Like it's a small, place. So it gets dirty quite quicker, quite fast. What is this? Oh, my battery is low. Let me go charge it. Good morning. It's currently past 6 and I've been up since 3 and I couldn't go back to sleep. I don't know why I'm whispering because I'm sure people are awake now. I have work, I have a client today at around 11, but I just want to prepare everything that I need to prepare. Let me try and open this. Is that better? Yeah, better. So I want to prepare everything that I need to prepare, my brushes and whatever. I had work, so my station here, it's a bit messy, as well as my table. I have I have a running stomach. It's not running stomach. I think I ate something hot. I don't know. But I'm gonna make coffee and come tidy up. Gonna tidy up together and then prepare everything that I need to prepare. Take a bath, smell nice. I took my laundry yesterday to the laundry man and it came back. So I have clean clothes. I'm so glad I have clean clothes. One thing about me is I was talking about is neighborhood and I will never get rid of my clothes. I don't care. If I like something, this thing doesn't even have color anymore. I bought it like when I was doing grade 7, if not grade 8. And I still, and I don't care. It's not that I don't have clothes. I do have clothes. It's just that I don't know. I just like myself. So I will see you guys after making coffee.
I lose my breath.
I came here. I think. Wait a minute. I think I want a boil. Let me take out my phone. Wait. Mama. What is back? Let me check the kitchen. Let me check here. Oh, what is back? I hope it is here. Because it's the cheapest. Why is water so expensive? I don't understand. Like, is this real water? What's the difference? Nat, what's the difference here? I don't know what's this, but I'm gonna take 2. Good morning. Hi guys. Good morning. It is a Sunday morning. I'm going to church. It's not like, it's just compulsory. I really have to go to church because of something that's really important to me. I'm actually waiting for my dad to come fetch me. It's 9:05. That means I'm gonna be late, of course, because church starts at 9. The service starts at 9. Let me show you the fit of ish. I have scuffed in. Please don't judge. Don't be judged. I'm wearing this dress from, where did I get this dress? I think it was from Fashion World. And then this is from where? I think it's from Legit. And then my white heels, which are from Legit as well. I'm actually thinking of leaving the house and go wait for my dad there by the corner. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog at church, but have I before? Yes, I have before. I have vlogged at church. It was a revival, I think. But let's go. I'm gonna close the window.
Wetsa seretse ka mobu o mo tshasa mahlong.
Oh
abuse him enough, so he's taking me pictures.
God, don't give up on me yet. I know I'm not your best